Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix we can't accept online orders right now on Wix. So let's get started. So the first solution you can try is by making sure your payment methods are properly set up. So go to your dashboard and on the left hand side go to accept payments and make sure that you have connected payment providers like Wix, PayPal and others. Now for example, if you are using Wix payments, then go to the Wix payment section and make sure that your account is verified. Now you need to also make sure that your store is fully set up. So go back to your dashboard, go to store products and settings, and over here navigate to your products, and under general you'll see all of your products and make sure all of them are set up properly. Over there go to shipping and tax settings as well and make sure there's nothing missing over there as well. Now you need to also make sure that there is no error on your products. So go to your store page and choose the products, and also make sure that each of your product is in stock and also available. Also make sure to check your region as there are some restrictions due to shipment. Now what you can do is to run a test checkout. So go to your site's preview mode and try adding a product, and now proceed to the checkout and see if there are any errors. If none of these work, you can try contacting Wix support and they can help you in fixing your issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.